Optimism from eToro's CEO has data to back it up. Earlier, eToro's U.S. head told me that the platform is seeing an uptick in trading activity. Here's more from my interview with Andrew McCormick.
So we are very excited. We all know about the I Love New York shirts and touristy swag, and we absolutely want some eToro Loves New York because we are so thrilled and honored, and it's a privilege to serve the wonderful residents of the Empire State now.
For users in New York, how can they now sign up?
Yeah, so on either our mobile app or eToro.com, we'll get you there. And we pride ourselves in making investing easy and engaging. So a few clicks and you can sign up and start trading in your favorite stocks, ETFs, and options.
What does eToro offer its user base that is unique in this marketplace?
So we have a very unique DNA and heartbeat, and we believe in the power of community and common knowledge and the wisdom of the crowd. And so at eToro, not only can you invest and do your own research, but there are millions of users around the globe where you can ask questions to, share ideas with, have dialogue about. And just like in normal life, if you're looking for a recipe, you might go to social media. We think the same can be true in investing. And even in some of our surveys, we've seen over 80% of retail investors turn to social networks for investing ideas. So at eToro, you can do that and then put those ideas into practice and actually buy those stocks that you so love.
How does that social component work for users on your platform?
Yeah, well, it's all in one app. So you open up your app or the desktop platform and you see a news feed, just like you're on a social media platform where people are talking about different tickers and symbols and markets in general. And if that sparks an idea, something that excites you, you can click on those ticker symbols and it brings you to a normal trading page, just like any other stock platform. And if you want to talk about the stock or investment you just made, you can do that same thing on the platform as well.
This news comes as the stock market sits near all-time highs. How does that factor into activity on your platform?
There's definitely an uptick, with the excitement of markets and markets going up that, we see trading activity go as well. But the great thing about capital markets, there's an opportunity at all times. So even in, stock markets are going down at times, there's still opportunities there. And you can be just a plain vanilla, boring buy and hold investor like myself, and you buy one trade and maybe you just put recurring, investments in it every month. And just over time, believe that's a great way to, generate wealth as well in very simple ways.
What services does eToro offer its user base to educate people?
That is our passion, because investing can be hard. It can be challenging at times. And something me personally and the company as a whole are just passionate about is just getting more people to start that journey. The U.S. government recently released a survey showing that only 58% of Americans have any exposure to stocks in the stock market. We are passionate about bringing that remaining 42% ultimately down to zero. So if you're a video person and you want to watch videos, we have videos explaining, how to place a trade, what is trading, what's an ETF, what's options. If you're someone a little older like myself, I love reading. So I love to read, the blogs, the how-to guides. But if you're a very technical trader, we have the technical charts. And we have this thing called the eToro Academy, where everything sits all in one spot. And we even have quizzes sometimes if you want to test your knowledge. And so we're really proud of that academy and think it's valuable regardless if you're brand new or if you're 20 years in, it can help anyone on their journey.
Why is now the time to get invested?
The perfect time is now. There's so much stress goes in sometimes of you're trying to perfectly time the market with the perfect investment. So many wise investors have said, trying time in the market is better than trying to time the market, and the best time to start is now. It can be small steps, right? I love eToro and the fact that you can make $10 trades, right? You don't need a lot of money to get started, and just making those small trades here and there and building that wealth and knowledge, I think is a great opportunity to start now.